This is Groundeffected. My name is your mom, and welcome to Crete.
So, I recently just got back from Greece. I was shipped over to Greece by an old customer of mine who I tattooed many years ago. I'd known this guy since he was a young child, and technically what happened was he paid for me to fly out to Greece. I took one of my best mates, Mr. Crashcraft himself. I will link his YouTube channel in the description below. Please make sure to go check him out. He's done some pretty sweet videos from while we were over in Greece, and he will be uploading them as the time comes along. So we climbed in a plane and we flew to another country, and I tattooed this dude. While I was there, I tattooed a couple of his housemates as well, and we went and explored the island. This is something I've never done in my life before. It was quite an amazing experience. It was definitely something I'd like to take my family to experience in the future as well. But for now, we're back to making content. This channel is on a roll. We're trying to get to 10K within the next month. If that's possible, make sure to leave a like. Probably subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, I won't get one more new subscriber, and also I won't have 10K subscribers, which is small in the grand scheme of things, but let's just get there and we'll talk about the future. Now, of course, while I was away, I never had any time to work on any of the stuff that I need to work on in order to create videos. So the future videos for the next couple of weeks may be a little bit weird, but I'll do my best to make sure everything stays on track. Please leave your suggestions down below. If there's anything you'd like to see in a video, leave your suggestions. I'm gathering a whole load of ideas, and I will start to put together some of those ideas in future videos for everybody to watch. And yes, this video isn't a very long video, and no, it has nothing to do with model painting. However, in order to inject some of that model painting into this video, I'm going to announce this month's Artist of the Month. If you don't already know, over on the Patreon, you get access to our private Discord. On that private Discord, you get all the information you need, a load of friends who are printing and painting and going through some of the same problems you are, if not have gone through them and already know the answers to some of your questions over there. So if you need any assistance, or you want to be part of a community that actually supports each other rather than gives stupid answers to really important questions, then perhaps you want to consider joining the Patreon. Now, if you had joined the Patreon, you would be in the Discord, and if you are in the Discord, you would know that every month we run something called the Artist of the Month. For now, you don't win anything other than bragging rights, and you get your models featured on my channel. But this month, my dudes have blown everything out of the water, and if I thought they were difficult to choose from before, this month is absolutely ridiculous. I'm going to show you everything that was painted for this month and what was entered into Artist of the Month. You can tell me in the comments below if you thought someone else should have been the winner. This month's Artist of the Month winner is Richard D. I really like this Wolverine that you did on his bike. I just really love the bike. The bike is amazing. The sculpt is also really great. Man, you chose one of the best models you can choose to paint for this competition. Also, I have to give honorable mention to a couple of fellas and one lady in the group that also did some impressive work. Varied Rose, that last Ronin you did was also super amazing. I really enjoyed that piece. That was super great. That is the kind of work I love to see in the group. And how can we not mention Ash and his literally looking like a 3D render painting? This thing is so crisp and clean. I'm really impressed with this paint job. Dad's a Gamer also produced an epic looking Rocket Raccoon bust, and I really appreciated the work that was put into this one. It looks amazing. Great job on that one too. Also, Fallen Angel with her Luisa, I don't even know how you say that name, but this amazing painting apparently is one of her first paintings, or at least one of her first few paintings that she's done, and it's a really amazing paint job. I really am impressed with the work that you've done on this. I really enjoyed this piece so much. Congratulations! I also have to mention Tyler's Rose because he put in a valiant effort last month and this month. Last month I screwed him over by cutting entries a little bit short, and I did include his entry into this month. However, it was probably the worst month for you, my dude. I'm so sorry about that. Your work is never going unnoticed. We notice everything you do. You produce so much and such great quality. Good job on everything. Good job, everybody. What an amazing month this has been for Artist of the Month. I haven't seen this many awesome pieces ever. Maybe because it's still fresh and we haven't got much to go off of, but it's still an amazing collection of pieces from this month. Now I need to get back to making a video for the end of the week, so that means I need to get back into painting this massive dwarf which I have been sent to me. Which means if you haven't clicked like already, you need to do that now. Probably consider subscribing, leave some words in the little box that YouTube gives you to leave some words in. And if you didn't like anything you saw in this video, I'm so sorry. There's nothing I can do for you anymore, but the only thing you can do for yourself is to just click that little dislike button on the bottom of the screen and then just kindly off. And now I better get back to painting this damn model. How many layers is this gonna take?